stuff.
Wow. Wow.
Molly, you're back with us today for a quick post-op. I think it was about a little over 2 weeks ago, you had a tongue tie revision where we released some tension, and your after effect was quite dramatic. I just wanted to get a handle on, what do you notice different since we did that?
Oh, there's a lot of things. Like the very first few nights that I went home, it was so dramatic for me. I noticed my sleeping improved right away. My neck and shoulder tension relaxed a lot. And as I did the tongue tie stretches, actually my hyoid bone moved into place, like clicked back into place. And I know I have the EDS, so all that can move really easily, but it moved back into place and it hasn't dislocated since like the very first week of me starting the exercises.
Sure.
The tension across my shoulders and chest is a lot less, and I have just I felt better in general. There's just, I think because I'm sleeping better. The first night that I slept 4 hours and got up to do my tongue tie stretches, I thought I slept through the whole night. That was how much of a difference it was for me. And I got scared. I was like, oh my gosh, I slept through the whole night. I didn't do the stretches. But nope, it was only 4 hours, and I was impressed with how dramatic the change was. And it's noticeable in my everyday life. I'm able to be active more and just I feel happier and just not as tired. So it's improved too with the way that I'm drinking things and eating and stuff. I don't have any pain actually inside my tongue anymore for talking or eating or anything like that. So I do have the jaw pain and this up here still from my teeth stuff, but everything else seems to have relaxed quite a bit, and my anxiety has come down quite a bit, and I think it was just from being so tense.
Well, yeah, that makes sense. I mean, people that are in chronic pain are, I think, hyper aware of tension and their pain, and oh my God, is it going to get worse? And you're kind of got that in the back of your head the whole time. So,
yeah.
Well, good. So you're glad you had it done?
Oh yes, definitely. I am. My husband is going to get it done, and so is my mom, because we all have one. So I've been the trooper for the family. So definitely, I would do it all over again. So
Awesome.
if I had to.